I've got a triple monitor stand, and the best I could find it was for 327, and even it just barely fits.
Get behind the gate.
My living room is no longer a living room.
Well, it's the room you live in.
I have an Acura RSX bucket seat sitting on the floor with the wheel to the table. It works great, just like a racing seat.
Nice. I've got a little Sparkle Sprint racing seat, a Sprint Junior, that I'm trying to find a base for.
Well, this one's right out of an Acura RSX. I bent the prongs so they lay flat on the floor, and I can slide forward and back, adjust the seat, and paid $50 at a junkyard for it, all leather.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I've got the racing seat. It just sits on the floor. I need something. I want to find an office chair or something I can get the bracket for, so I can tilt it and everything.
Didn't it have any weather damage from the weather out there in the junkyard?
No, it was inside the car. It was actually the passenger side seat. The guy thought it was ruined, so he sold it to me for $50. It's like a $300 leather seat out of an Acura RSX.
One to go. You'll be outside. You'll be lining up behind the 17.
What year?
Good job, my man. Give us an update on that hot rod.
An RSX, an RSX.
Yeah, you know?
No, God, I don't know. It's got a headrest, it's got leg supports, it's got side supports. I mean, it's out of a RSX. It's almost like the racing seat because it's got the hip supports, it's got the kidney supports.
Hey, what else? Does it have a dip support?
Yeah, my right hand.
I thought it was good.
Stay behind the 15 car. He's over there.
I'd say we just do a single file start, right?
I wouldn't mind that. I would not mind that at all.
Yeah, I'm down with it.
Everybody line up single file.
I did it last night. That's what we were doing.
I don't think we were actually be able to coordinate that right now, since we're coming to the flag.
Oh, I had it happen in an A race. 31 cars in the first.
We got the back half lined up. You got the front part lined up.
Yeah, they're two egos. That's true.
Just don't pass the guy in front of you across the street.
But you can start working those tires in if you like. Make sure you get them good and clean. All right, boss man. Pace cars off. Green. Very nice work, my man. Lots of patience.
Go ahead, Ricky.
Give in your room number 2.
Outside.
Try to keep your room.
Clear outside if you want it.
They just gotta put those left tires right on that yellow line. right on that yellow line. We're doing 13 and then 11 total. We don't work
Work to
together.
the bottom, inside. Clear, clear, inside.
We lost them.
What happened? I just saw a car go over the rail.
I don't know. There was about 4 of them right on our ass, and they're all gone. Slow cars in front of us.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that you're only allowed to block one direction. You can't swing back and forth.
Poof, poof.
Goodbye, alien.
I'm gonna stay with you, Tyler. Just stay in it. Yeah, we're hauling the mail, buddy. Catch him on the back stretch.
Yeah, we can catch up on the back stretch here.
Maybe.
Looks like what's happening is I'm getting draft and pulling me away from you too far.
No, we're alright. Go around them and I'll follow you. Got one inside, what? I'll shoot him on the back.
That could have gotten ugly. I did not see him there.
I don't think the guy in front of you saw him either. He ain't moving.
Four car, slow down a little bit. Maybe we can make some ground.
Careful.
That's a bad place. Oh, nice save, 13.
Holy crap, I think I just shit myself.
You were sideways like 3 times, dude. Nice try.
I can't believe I saved that right there.
I can't believe we didn't wreck this. I mean, you were right there, sliding sideways as I was going by.
I know it's bad to pass going into one, but we have to run. We gotta try it.
You can run that lane because I got forced almost into that green barrier, but I shot right down through there. You just got to catch it just right.
Yeah. I can't quite hear what you're saying, so my answer is a little weak, that's why.
No, that's okay. I got pinched on that wall last night and stuff it in there just like you did. Somehow I came through it.
Another lapper up here.
Aaron, you're blinking.
Ain't no pulling over right now.
No, you just blinked once real hard and came right back. Stole my air, dude.
I totally didn't try it, I'm sorry.
I don't know what happened. You just started getting back.
I think I gained so quickly that it just took the air off of you.
Yeah, just where I was on the corner down low, I just, yeah.
I can see how that going on spot.
Oh. Trying to get by that guy again. All right, back where we started. Both of us have been sideways and nobody's wrecked. Yeehaw!
This track is ridiculous for passing, that's for sure. We might be out of time now.
Split lane with 9.
Yeah, I have no idea what the last round is. Too fast into the corner? Yeah, you gotta walk that yellow line.
I've got it.
Caution.
Going down.
Did you happen to get a look at your temps when you're on track right after that caution
I
bell?
up and did that same thing trying to figure out 4 last night. And still went wall.
Shot that day.
My tire went down going into 3.
You can actually get a flat tire.
Oh yeah.
Base cars in turn 1.
2 laps to go, 2 laps to go.
I'll take a top 10, number 4.
Yeah, me too, man.
Yeah, no shit. I think I'm in 4th.
Pace car's on the back straight, middle of the back straight.
Was I the caution there getting into the wall, or was there something else that happened?
Might be your flat tire.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
That iRacing open was so bogus just by watching the video. I mean, you know, you can see them. They weren't controlling the cars. It was like clearly they were on YouTube.
Yeah, that was their April Fool's thing.
Slow into 3 and 4, catching the pace car.
Yeah, I told somebody, I said I got pulled over by the cop, and he was like, April Fool's.